Hey stargazers and astronomy enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 telescopes of 2025. Whether you're a beginner just starting your journey into the stars or an experienced astronomer seeking the best in optical performance, these telescopes will help you discover the wonders of the universe. We'll cover key features like magnification, lens quality, portability, and ease of use to help you find the perfect telescope for your stargazing adventures. Check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more reviews. Let's dive into the cosmos. Starting at number 5, the Vision King Spotting Scope is a top-tier choice for those who love nature observation. Featuring a powerful 25x75x magnification and a large 70mm objective lens, this scope provides stunning brightness and clarity. Its lightweight ergonomic design makes it comfortable to carry, and its waterproof and fog-proof construction allows for all-weather use. Ideal for birdwatching, hunting, and stargazing, the Vision King delivers crisp images even in low-light conditions. With a professional build and BAK4 prisms, this spotting scope ensures every outdoor adventure is a visual delight. At number 4, the Borwell 40070 Professional Telescope is the perfect gift for children and beginners interested in astronomy. With its large 70mm objective lens and multiple eyepieces, this telescope offers up to 333x magnification, providing clear views of the moon's craters and stars. Its fully coated lenses ensure bright, sharp images, while the 130cm tripod gives stability for hands-free observation. Easy to use and compact, it's a great tool for introducing young minds to the wonders of the universe, sparking a lifelong interest in space exploration. At number 3, Saun F9308B Telescope. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Saun F9308B is a versatile, powerful monocular perfect for camping, birdwatching, and stargazing. Its waterproof back 4 FMC optics deliver clear, high-quality images even in challenging weather. The included sturdy tripod provides stability during long observation sessions. Despite its high-performance design, it remains easy to use, making it a solid option for both beginners and experienced users. Built with durability in mind, the Saun F9308B is designed for rugged outdoor activities, offering long-lasting performance and crisp, vivid views of the natural world. Number 2, the Celestron Nexar 130 SALA-T is perfect for those seeking power and precision in a compact package. With a 130mm primary mirror, this Newtonian reflector telescope offers 30% more light-gathering power than its predecessor, making it ideal for capturing detailed views of the lunar surface, Saturn's rings, and even faint nebulae. The computerized GOTO system features over 4,000 celestial objects, while SkyAlign technology ensures easy setup in just minutes. With its portable design, adjustable tripod, and free Starry Night software, the NexStar 130 SALA-T is great for backyard stargazing or taking on the road for weekend adventures. At number 1, Celestron Nexar 6 SE Telescope. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly telescope with advanced features, the Celestron Nexar 6 SE is a fantastic choice. This computerized Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope comes with a 6-inch primary mirror that offers incredible light-gathering ability, perfect for viewing celestial wonders like Saturn's rings and the moon's surface. Equipped with a database of 40,000 celestial objects, its GOTO mount automatically tracks and locates them for you. With Celestron's SkyAlign technology, setup is a breeze. Simply align on any 3 bright objects, and you're ready to stargaze. Compact and portable, it's ideal for both newcomers and seasoned hobbyists. A true investment for growing astronomers.